Welcome back to learning Muay Thai with Kru Hemanth Kumar, a three-time World Championship bronze winner, with over 30 years of training experience. We'll be continuing with the Mae Mai techniques, resuming where we left off last time. In case you missed the previous videos, now might be a good time to watch them.
Hi, I'm Kru Hemanth Kumar from Masters Muay Thai Academy, and I'm here to teach you the next lesson in Mae Mai. And today along with me, I have my student Ganesh and Rishabh to help us demonstrate the first technique of this episode, Hak Nguang Aiyara, breaking the tusk of the divine elephant. Alright, let's see how we can work the technique out. Position. Okay. Alright, ready? This is the technique against the roundhouse kick. Ready? 1. Okay, after the roundhouse kick, you do a walk side footwork to lock the kick. If you had practiced and watched carefully the previous lessons, I have explained about this footwork which will reduce the impact of the kick when you do the walk side footwork. Right? Release. Now we'll see the technique Hak Nguang Aiyara. Ready? 1. Good. Now comes the technical part here. 2. Breaking the mid of the thigh with a walk across footwork and a downward elbow. Ready? Release. Ready? 1. 2. Good. Release. Now we'll do this in one flow. Ready? 1. Good. Come back again. 1. 2. Yes. Okay. Right. Relax. Now I'll show you the application, one technique of application here. Ready? From the roundhouse kick, you lock and you break. There's the mid of the thigh, right? Finish with the elbow. A spinning rotational side elbow. Alright? That's one more example for you. Lock. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! That's about Hak Nguang Aiyara. Thank you. Let's now learn the second technique, twisting the serpent's tail. Any idea? Naka Bid Hang. Good. Let's now watch the technique to make it clear for you. Ready, Ganesh? Rishabh? This is the technique against the thrust kick. The serpent's tail. Thrust kick. Ready? 1. Receive the kick. You hold the heel and the toe. This gives leverage for now twist. Twist. And now this exposes the calf muscle and the line of nerve that goes up to the pelvic girdle. This will be attacked now with the knee. Yes, that will be the technique Naka Bid Hang. Again, 1, 2. Attack. Yes. 3. Okay. 3. Twist and strike. Okay. Relax. Good. Now let's see the application again. Ready? 1. Up. Ready? 1. Twist and bang. Ready? Again. 1, 2. Bang. Ready? Again. 1, 2, pop, away. See? Thank you. Great. Now we come to the last technique of this episode, Virino Crab. It is an attack or a counter attack, I can say, against any incoming kicks. How to ward the kick before it starts to go ahead. Let's see the technique now. Ready, Ganesh? You ready? Rishabh? Now you just try to go for a kick, and Ganesh, you will see performing the technique. Ready? 1. There you go. Now you need to note the point here. The moment the intention goes to go for the attack using the kick, it is destroyed or ward off with the lower level thrust kick now. Ready? 2. Virino grab. Yep. Easy. Breathe out. Easy. 3. Up. Good. 4. Up. Good. Easy. And 5. That's it. That is the last technique for the day. I hope you do like the video, and please do not forget to like and share, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. See you in the next episode. Thank you.